Hello, good evening guys. Today in this video, with a very simple example, I'll try to explain how you can use VLOOKUP function in Excel sheet with the combination of data validation. See here in this example payslip sheet, so I have a drop down something like employee IDs. Whenever I change the employee ID to a particular thing, immediately these values are getting changed. This is just because of using the VLOOKUP function, and all this data on the sheet 6 is getting from sheet. I am getting the data, and through VLOOKUP function it is fetching and placing over here. So how you can do that? So with the fresh cell I'll select here and I'll just explain you. For example, if you have a cell called employee ID and this is for the data, just like this, okay. And for example, basic HRA, I'll just post it here. So our intention is by using this VLOOKUP and data validation, when I give something like 4011 here, it should pick appropriate value which is basic, which is $13-17 from this Google sheet. See here, 4011. If I take the employee ID, the basic salary for this particular employee ID person is 1317. I should fetch and get here automatically. So what I'll do is I'll just give this a border here just for our purpose, okay, and this one also a border, okay. Now what I'll do is first I'll use this data validation. First I'll click on this columns and click on the data validation, and I want in the list format, and the source is from this sheet. As I said, I'll take all the employee IDs. Just I'm selecting. So yeah, all this range is fine. I'll click on OK. I'll go to the sheet 6 and see here the drop down is appearing. So I can just click on whichever the drop down means employee ID, and our second requirement is to fetch this data from this sheet according to this employee ID reference. I should get the basic what is this basic salary details automatically. For this we'll use VLOOKUP. So first of all, VLOOKUP has 4 arguments. To write this, click on means insert is equal to, then write VLOOKUP, vertical lookup. Click on this and see there are 4 arguments here. First, the lookup value. Where should I look or where should I take the reference from? Here our reference is this one, employee ID, okay. Keep it aside. And the next one is table of array. Which table should I take the data from? You should take the data from this table, okay. Okay, next, the third argument, I'll just delete. Third arguments, which column index should I pick the data from? This basic in the sheet is column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Column number 5. So you should take the column index as 5 from this table. Okay. Column index number. Then the range lookup is, and here does it want to match the exact data? No, I don't want. So I'll keep the last one as the false. So one by one we'll give now. Okay, first the lookup value is this, okay, which is J6. I'll keep a comma here, and the table I'll select from this sheet. So what I'll do is I'll just select entire data. Okay, okay, fine. Now I'll just press on this comma. See here, comma, and next column index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 I'll give. Next comma. Yes, and the last argument is I want the exact match here. Okay, false. And I'll close the parenthesis and I'll go to sheet number 6 now. Our actual testing. See here, 896 it gave. Okay, let us confirm this with this 4010 here, and the basic is $896. Okay, this is appropriate. And again I'll just change to the other value 4015. 4015, which is C here. So this is how you can make use of vertical lookup or VLOOKUP function with the combination of data validation. So if you do have any questions on this function, please do ask in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.